If you love wildlife but fear big birds, this one's for you. Meet the cassowary. Flashy. Meet the cassowary. Furious. Meet the cassowary. Totally fascinating. Stay until the end. Fact 1 will blow your mind. 5 shocking facts about the cassowary. Number 5. They're the world's 3rd tallest bird. Over 6 feet tall. 4. That bright helmet on their head is a casque. Maybe for sound, maybe for smashing through jungle. 3. Their skin flashes electric blue and crimson, like a rainforest neon sign. 2. They're seed superstars. One bird can disperse hundreds of plant species. 1. They can run 30 to 40 miles per hour and deliver lethal kicks. Respect the cassowary. Beautiful. Respect the cassowary. Bizarre. Respect the cassowary. Built to survive. Follow for more wild truth in 60 seconds or less.